behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 42 officially underway here on the Curie division. It looks like we got pieces of coral being scored for both of these alliances. The Robochargers trying to make it a three-peat on the level 4. Can they do 4 pieces of coral? Yes, they can. Looks like the Red Alliance is going to walk home with 6 pieces of coral. Blue Alliance is going to take home 3. Red Alliance advantage 51-33 as we move into our teleoperated period. First up to the skies is going to be 3005. Dropping off a piece of algae, but sadly falling out of the barge. They're going to go for it one more time to repeat their layup attempt and sink that shot into the net. 862, the Lightning Robotics of the Blue Alliance. They're going to drop one off for them as well. Red Alliance Robochargers sinking one in for one more shot. Can they make it 3? Yes, they can. Congratulations. The human player is going to take their free throw attempt and sink it in as well. 1466, Web Robotics dropping off a piece of algae into the processor to hopefully start that cooperation bonus for both of these alliances. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, 2642 weaving its way on over deep in Red Alliance territory to start playing some defense in hopes of helping Blue Alliance play a little bit of catch up as they are still trailing Red Alliance by about 30 points. Blue Alliance trying to drop off a couple pieces of coral up on level 4. The pink machine of 2642, the Pit Pirates, going back and forth from their feed station to the reef, to the feed station to the reef, uninterrupted currently by Red, seamlessly dropping off pieces of coral and narrowing that gap down to Red Alliance to less than 20 points now. 2640 and their partners 862 Lightning Robotics working in tandem to try to fill up not 1, not 2, but all 3 levels of the Blue Alliance reef. Back on the opposite side of the field for Red, 5530. The Green Hill lawnmowers are trying to mow the lawn of all the coral, climbing all the way over to retrieve all of the pieces along the floor. Red Alliance is going to try to fill their reef as quickly as possible. The Robochargers trying to weave out of the way of 2642 and try to score as many game pieces as possible. Looks like Red Alliance has sent over their defender of 1466 Web Robotics deep into Blue Alliance territory to help try to maintain the Red Alliance lead. The gap has narrowed to now less than 15 points between these two alliances. It may come down to see who can surface quickly enough. We've got 2 deep cages on Red and 1 shallow, 3 deep cages on Blue. This may be the difference if all 3 teams can get up on either side. We've got 2 Red Alliance robots up in the air. Can we see 2 Blue Alliance robots up in the air? Looks like we can as time expires. 15 points separating these 2 teams. A couple of teams going to be the Red Alliance. They're walking home with a score of 182-177. A very close match indeed. Close in coral, close in algae. Red Alliance made it up just slightly with those game pieces being